On a quiet morning, a robin and a blue jay perched on a branch side by side. The robin, bright and curious, asked, "What do you think makes the world peaceful?" The blue jay, with its vibrant feathers, replied, "I think it's about understanding each other. Even if we're different, we can still find common ground." The robin nodded thoughtfully. "So, peace comes from listening and accepting each other?" "Exactly," said the blue jay, "and from finding harmony in our differences." As they shared this moment of insight, the robin and the blue jay felt a gentle calm settle over them. They each flew off with a renewed sense of purpose, knowing that peace could be nurtured in the smallest of conversations.